Construction of the second phase of Agro-Business Road. The process of continuing the construction of the Farm Business Road, after measuring the road and sterilizing the area to be built by the Farm Business Road, is conducting concrete castings. But before casting concrete, first make the formwork so that the concrete results have a precise size. And this is the process. And this is the result of concrete cast when it has dried. Until this video is made, the concrete work process continues. Thanks for attention. Please like, share, and subscribe.